Ang nanay ko, prostitute. Ako, naging prostitute.
For me, if you ask me what is the face of human trafficking, it's the face of girls that I know and love. Brothels recruit from Welfareville because they know those girls they may not be able to go to school because their family hasn't been able to send them to school, so then they're vulnerable, and the money opportunity is great, so they do often take them from, it's easier than trying to, obviously they take them from the provinces too, but it's easy access, you don't have to pay fare, you need some girls right now, it's easy to get them.
Isa siyang magulo, sobrang gulo niya. Doon mo makikita yung mga babae, talagang mga prostitute, makikita mo doon yung mga babae kulang sa pagmamahal, kulang sa time, tapos yung mga lalaki na nangangailangan ng isang magandang pamilya.
From what I've seen, there's a lot of different things that make the children really vulnerable. For why is the Philippines fourth worldwide for child prostitution? Walking in the slums, you can really see it because you see so many unprotected children.
Mas marami talagang minor. Hindi lang siguro pero merong 11 yan yung pinaka pero yung sa face, sa mukha niya, hindi mo masasabing 11 siya. Sa taas niya, hindi mo masasabing 12 siya. Parang peke yung physical appearance, pero yung totoong age nila, kayang-kayang itago. Katulad sa akin dati, hindi halatadong 14 years old ako kasi yung iba-iba ang itsura ko before na masasabing old na, masasabing edad na.
Rescue look like? Well, rescue is really reaching the girl wherever she is, in the middle if she's ready.
I see Safe Refuge as a place where women were abandoned or even trashed by other people to be a place where they will meet God and meet His love and show them that they are valuable and precious to Him and that their lives are not just a mess but a life where He's working on and building on, and He's gonna bring them out of that mess.
Noong una, medyo hindi okay. Ngayon, okay naman po. Nalaman kasi naano ko na rin po na naramdaman ko, nawala na po yung nararamdaman ko. Hindi maganda. Yun na rin ang una kong inaano eh. Kasi talaga pong naano ako dun. Ayoko na pong bumalik yung naramdaman ko.